Welcome to Sonic Tech, the Self-Learners Club. In this video we'll learn how to draw a flexible duct in AutoCAD using an AutoCAD Lisp. This Lisp helps the user to add flex duct by picking 2 points on objects. These objects must have curve properties to obtain a perpendicular angle. First, draw some polylines. Now load the Lisp, enter Upload, then choose your Lisp. Type flex to activate the Lisp. Specify the flexible diameter, then choose a polyline to draw the flexible duct.